Imagine surviving an atomic bomb, and then surviving another one 3 days later. In 1945, a Japanese engineer named Tsutomu Yamaguchi was on a business trip in Hiroshima. On August 6, he witnessed the first atomic bomb explosion from just a few kilometers away. Burned and injured, he somehow survived and returned home. But his home city was Nagasaki. Just 3 days later, while explaining the Hiroshima disaster to his boss, another atomic bomb exploded. Amazingly, he survived again. He became the only officially recognized person to survive both atomic bomb attacks. His story remains one of the most unbelievable survival stories in human history. Could you imagine surviving the impossible twice? Follow for more unbelievable true stories.